stop. Put that jar of store-bought peanut butter down. Once you see how easy it is to make your own, you'll never go back. Making peanut butter at home is simple, delicious, and will save you money. Plus, it's a big step toward living more self-sufficiently. Let me show you how. Here's all you'll need. 2 cups of peanuts, raw or roasted, your choice, a pinch of salt. Optional, a teaspoon of honey or a drizzle of oil for extra creaminess. A food processor or high-powered blender. That's it. No preservatives, no added sugar, just pure peanut goodness. Step 1, start with your peanuts. If you're using raw peanuts, you'll want to roast them first for that rich, nutty flavor. Spread them on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool before moving to the next step. Step 2, blend. Add your peanuts to the food processor and let it run. At first you'll get a crumbly texture, but don't stop yet. Keep blending and soon you'll see it transform into a smooth, creamy peanut butter. It usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Step 3, customize. Want it salty? Add a pinch of salt. Prefer it sweet? Mix in a teaspoon of honey. If you like your peanut butter ultra smooth, a drizzle of oil will do the trick. Blend again until everything's perfectly combined. That's it, you just made your own peanut butter. Store it in an airtight jar, and it'll keep for weeks. No strange ingredients, no wasteful packaging, just wholesome homemade goodness. Why stop at peanut butter? Living self-sufficiently means learning to make more things at home. It's healthier, often cheaper, and gives you the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in your food. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and let me know in the comments how your peanut butter turns out. If you loved this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around for more tips on living sustainably and deliciously. Make it at home. Live self-sufficiently. Enjoy the journey.